Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. I have a breaking story just coming out here January the 9th, 2021, all about the Norwegian Escape. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thumbs ups, making support payments here on PayPal to the cause. Thank you everybody. Here's a photo of the Norwegian Escape. This is just when she left the shipbuilding facility a few years ago. Pristine condition, not a scratch on her. She's in perfect shape, ready to make money. The ship's been very popular. Unfortunately, like all other cruise ships, she's laid up right now. But the other day, she was coming into Rome, and Houston, we got a problem. This ship apparently had an issue with regards to its maneuvering, and whether the wind blew her in or whatever, she got scraped up pretty badly. This is a serious gash here on the hull of the ship on the side here. Going to be a expensive fix to say the least. Anyway, the ship has been sailed now to Genoa in Italy. The incident happened, I think, on Wednesday, today being Saturday, and it looks like yesterday the ship arrived in Genoa in Italy, where the cruise line has arranged a repair to the ship. And if you're going to repair a ship, Genoa is a pretty darn good place to go. There's all the skills and parts and tools and know-how here to do anything to any kind of vessel. So this ship will be completely restored, and she'll be brought back to brand new condition. But bet you that once she's repaired, you won't even be able to tell where the ship got scraped up. But this can happen even though there are no paying passengers on any cruise ships right now. They are still vulnerable to accidents, and here's a classic case right here. That might be a $1 million boo-boo. I think there's that saying from Southwest Airlines, you want to get away? Whoever was responsible for this would love to be kind of out of town for a while. Anyway, we'll stay on this story, see if any more develops, but that came out this morning. Never a dull moment in the cruise ship business. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for your support. We'll talk to you later, everybody. Take care. Bye for now.